Today it's the 21st of October 2021. We have Runeberginkatu, Runeberginkatu 56 you see, but this is the Roosavillakatu side. Täällä Helsinki is West 3 floors of the apartments with 6 floors. Now switching X, but not patching X, this is okay still. It was built in 1926 by Kone in 2018 and the SIN number is H483 with the press panel. Beautiful edge here. Yes, I think maybe it has memory. We'll be inspecting the next 2022. And this residential building has 3 staircases.
Yeah.
We can also go to the staircase A and B. This is not so bad. All 3 can still be filmed here.
Yeah.
And it was completely unknown, I hadn't been here before. But I had tried it.
Yeah.
And it's also turning 95 years old this year, in 2021.
Yeah.
The same age as Her Majesty Queen in the United Kingdom. What's the one that is not
Yeah.
engineering?
Spectate parking wise, maintain possible.
Yes. Let's go to the States.
That's